Hi, my name is Mikaela. I'm a coordinator with Cooking Matters, and today we're going to be talking about how to lighten up recipes and how to make prepackaged foods a little bit healthier. Starting off, we're going to be talking about how to make convenient packaged food healthier. Three big things are adding veggies, using lean meats, and reading the labels. Adding veggies adds important nutrients and fiber. Using lean meats reduces the saturated fat you're consuming, and reading the label ensures that you're going to be able to make sure you're eating whole grains, low sodium, and low fat options. You can also try to make your favorite packaged meals from scratch. We have lots of recipes that you can try at cookingmatters.org. Next, we will talk about how to lighten your everyday recipes. Some things you can do are to reduce unhealthy fats, reduce the amount of unnecessary ingredients like sugar, add fiber, use lean proteins, and reduce your sodium intake. I hope you enjoyed our video on how to lighten up foods and make prepackaged food a little bit healthier. You can follow us at cookingmatters.org or find us at Cooking Matters Detroit on Facebook.